Our lease program is a solution we wish we had when we were contractors.
It puts new Schedule B compliant trucks on the road with covered repair and maintenance included in the lease payment.
Not only that, our lease program reduces unpredictable fleet expenses, can help stabilize your cash flow, and optimizes your operations so that you can focus on working on your business, not on your trucks.
Manage your fleet and maintain peace of mind. All that with no down payment required to get started.
Let's talk details. A standard lease lasts for 36 months. At the end of your lease, outcomes may include vehicle return, lease renewal, or purchasing your trucks.
We offer flexible solutions for every fleet. So our lease options include 3 mileage bands, 15, 25, and 35,000 miles per year.
We have FedEx standard size vehicles like Transits, P700s, P1000s, and P1200s available immediately.
With additional vehicle sizes available upon request. Ready to get started or have additional questions? Reach out to our team today at hellotrucklease.com.